President William Ruto ekinyitie thukuru-ini wa kothi cia moko wa Kabete Dagoretti Mũhuro Nairobi kuhumbaririe ukungwiri wa miaka 100 ya TVET kuria amukiritwo na kuonio tabarira ngurani na uthunduri uria uri thukuru-ini ici. Na igongona rirongoreirie makinya maria githomo giki gia kothi cia moko gikinyukitie na kio kiria gikiritwo hari gucenjia muonere wakio na gutigirira ni gietikirika.
Give us a few years and you will see the difference this space is going to make, not only within our institutions but for Kenya and internationally.
Thirikari ni ikireire na njira nene ukuria wa githomo gia TVET. President William Ruto akiuga mogaruruku ruhonge-ini rwa githomo ni mateithĩtie hari kwamukiria kothi cia moko amwe andu ni makuukitwo uguni wacio.
10 years ago, in fact in 2013, we had only 89,000 students in our TVET institutions. Today, we have close to 700,000 students in our TVET institutions. It has grown almost tenfold, and it speaks to the possibilities that TVET is offering.
Mutaratara-ini mweru wa githomo giki arutwo marakorwo na ihinda kirathi na ringi magathie kugia na umenyeru wa mawira maria marathomera niguo gutigirira ni ahaririku kwiyandika ona kana kwandikwo thoko-ini ya bururi ona kana nja ya bururi.
I urge young people, especially graduates from our tertiary institutions, to pay close attention to the unfolding opportunities that have been unlocked through our overseas employment opportunities strategy and bilateral labor agreements with various governments.
Oho President ni ateteire mubango wa thirikari yake wa marihi ma githomo kia iguru akiuga ukoretwo ukihurwo na ndeto cia maheni ati ni wambateirie marihi ma bithi no tiguo kuri.
Some of the letters sent to parents may indicate 200,000, 300,000, but that is not what a parent is expected to pay. That is the cost of the course. The government is going to make scholarship, is going to make loan available depending on the financial ability of parents or guardians or sponsors of students, so that we make it possible for government to support as many students as possible, and also make it possible for government to support students from vulnerable families to the highest level possible.
Ukungwiri wa miaka ino 100 ya githomo gia kothi cia moko ugikinyanira, President William Ruto eranĩire ati thirikari yake no iguthie na mbere kuhanda githomo giki gia kothi cia moko kuona nikio umithio wa gutura hari kuhanda bururi. Ngiribotera Inooro TV kuma thukuru-ini wa kothi cia moko wa Kabete guku Nairobi, rĩtwa rĩakwa ni Wangui wa Mwangi.